In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video background in Canva Magic Studio. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to remove your original background and replace it with a brand new AI-generated scene, all inside Canva. First, make sure you have your video or image already added to your Canva design. On your canvas, click directly on the video or image whose background you want to change. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and the editing toolbar appear around it. Once it's selected, look for the Edit option in the toolbar. This might appear above the canvas or on the side, depending on your screen size. Click on Edit to open more detailed options for that specific video or image. Inside the Edit menu, find and click on BG Remover. Canva will automatically analyze your video or image and try to remove the background, keeping the main subject in focus. This might take a few seconds, especially for longer clips. When it's done, check the edges of your subject. If anything looks off, you can use Canva's additional tools to refine the cutout, but usually the automatic result is good enough for most projects. Now that the background is removed, it's time to bring in a new one using Canva's Magic Studio. Go to the sidebar and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps all its extra tools and integrations. In the App search bar, type in Magic Media. This is Canva's AI-powered tool that can generate images and other content from text descriptions. When you see Magic Media appear in the results, click on it to open the tool. Inside Magic Media, you'll see a space where you can type in the background you want. Be as clear and descriptive as possible. For example, you might write modern office with large windows, sunset beach with soft waves, or classroom with a whiteboard. The more specific you are, the more accurate your generated background will be. After you enter your description and generate the image, select the one you like and add it to your design. It will appear on your canvas as a new image. Click on this background image and then use the position options to send it backward, behind your subject. In Canva, this is often done by selecting Send Backward or Send to Back until your subject sits in front of the new background. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts Canva gives you. These might include confirming settings, adjusting the size of the background, or fine-tuning the placement so everything looks natural. Once you're happy with the result, you've successfully changed your video background in Canva Magic Studio.